Okay. So students, we are on exercise 11.4 and we are right now discussing question number 10, first one, which is there to find out the area of shaded region. So सबसे पहले you tell me that shaded region which is there in this, which figure is this? Inside the figure which is shaded, can you identify which figure is this? Is it triangle? Is it quadrilateral? Is it which figure? The portion which is shaded, it is which figure? Okay, Pushp is telling quadrilateral. Okay, type of triangle. Okay, Amit is saying type of triangle. Utkarsh is triangle. Okay, आप जिन्होंने triangle लिखा है, first you tell me that triangle has how many sides? Those who have written triangle, may I know how many sides a triangle has? 3. Correct. Do we have 3 sides in our figure which is shaded here? Look at here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's not a triangle, my dear. ठीक है? So first thing, it's not a triangle. ठीक है? अगर ट्राइंगल होता तो हम सबसे पहले सिंपल फॉर्मूला लगाते एरिया निकालने के लिए 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट एंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता. ओके, but if you find this question, if you will see the question thoroughly, you will find it has 4 sides. Right now Pushpa has mentioned that ma'am it is a quadrilateral. Absolutely right, it is a quadrilateral, but it is not a rectangle जिसका फॉर्मूला हमको पता हो वो भी नहीं है ये. It is not a parallelogram, so that is also not there. It is not a square as well. So it means we don't know the formula of finding the area of this shaded portion which is given to find out. Okay. So for this, what we can do is we can simply use the method of कि अगर हम इस बाहर वाले पोर्शन का एरिया निकाल लें, which is given here outer, ठीक है, इस वाले बाहर वाले पोर्शन का एरिया निकाल लें और जो नॉन शेडेड पोर्शन है उसको वहां से हटा दे, then we will be left with the shaded portion. Do you understand the process? Write it down yes in the chat box. If I remove the unshaded area from the whole portion which is given outer side, we will get the answer of shaded area. Yes. Okay, fine. So you have understood this process. So we are going to do this only. So may I know from you all, the portion which is given outside, it is a rectangle or it is a square? जल्दी बताइए फटाफट. The figure which is outside, is it a rectangle or is it a square? It is a rectangle. Okay. What is the dimension of rectangle? What is the dimension of rectangle here? What are the length and breadth? जल्दी से बताओ. What are the length and breadth of this figure which is given to you? Yes, absolutely right. This side we have 18 and this side we have 10. So simply we can do it as 18 into 10, which will give you 180 square centimeter because portion was in centimeter. Okay, so now this one portion we have done it. Now we have 2 triangles inside which are non-shaded. Okay, so we are taking out area one by one. So the first triangle which you will see is area of first triangle will be 1/2 into base into height because it is a triangle. So may I know what is base, what is height? जल्दी से बताइए. What is base, what is height? For triangle number 1, you can take this triangle as triangle number 1. What is base, what is height? You can see also the book. Yes, correct. 10 and 8. So this is 1/2, 10 and 8. So you can simply solve it. 2 4s are 8, 10 4s are 40. So this is 40 square centimeter. Now you have taken out area of first triangle. Now the same thing, area of second triangle. Same formula again, it will apply 1/2 base into height. Now you are knowing 1/2 will remain 1/2. What is base and height for the second triangle? May I know from you all? What is the base and height of second triangle which we are taking right now? Yes, correct answer. This is 6 and 10. Okay, so you will be simply solving it. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, which will give you 6 5s are 30 square centimeter. Now we have completed whatever we were wanting to solve out. Okay. Now simple step, the last step. area of shaded region is equals to 180 minus 30 plus 40. So it will give you 180 minus 70, which will give you the answer 110 square centimeter. Finished. This question is completed now. Now 10th A, we have finished. Similar is like 10th B. So I'm going to rub this. In 10th B, you have figure like square. This time you don't have rectangle. This time we have square. Okay? So you will just draw this figure. This is given here Q, this is P, this is S, this is R. So P, Q, R, S is a quadrilateral here, which is in the form of square. Why square? Because this is 20, 10 and 10 ये वाला part में divided है. So that means this is also given here 20 only. ठीक है? This part is 10, this part is 10. So ये हो गया total 20. Now this part is also given 10. Now you can see here this part is given 10. It means the remaining part will also be 10 only. So we have written here 10. Now this portion is shaded portion. Okay. Now if you must be thinking कि मैम इस बार shaded portion तो triangle है. We can find out the area. है ना directly. So may I know अगर हम इसमें direct formula लगाना चाहें that is 1/2 base into height. May I know from you that can you indicate what is height or do we have height here? जल्दी से बताइए. If I use the formula, this is triangle, but obvious one side, two side, and three side. That is three-sided figure is called triangle. Now I want to know अगर हम इसमें direct formula लगाना चाहिए, that is 1/2 base into height because triangle area is 1/2 base into height. Now may I know? Do you know about what is the height of it? And do you know what is the base of it? Do you know the base of it? You don't know the base of it. You don't know the height of it. Okay. So that is why हम डायरेक्ट इसमें फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते बेटा. ठीक है. अदरवाइज आप चाहते तो उसमें डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लगा के 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट से इसका एरिया निकाल सकते थे. बट इस क्वेश्चन में हमको ट्राइंगल का बेस नहीं दिया है. आप चाहें तो इसमें ट्राइंगल का बेस और हाइट लगा करके अगर आपको बेस निकालना आता है एंड हाइट निकालना आता है, यू कैन डू दैट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. ठीक है. उसके लिए भी वी हैव मेनी ऑप्शन फॉर डूइंग इट. So right now we will be using the simple case जैसा हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में किया था. So first we will take out the area of larger portion जो कि outside है. Area of PQR is the sides are 20, 20, 20 and 20. So you can simply have 20 into 20 which will give you 400 square centimeter. Okay. So now this the full portion जो बाहर वाला portion we have taken out, that is 400 square meter. Now unshaded portion. Unshaded portion we have first triangle, second triangle and third triangle. Simply take out the area one by one. Area of first triangle 1/2 base into height. Base is 10, 20 is height, which will give you here 100 square centimeter. First के लिए निकाला हमने. Now second one. Area of second triangle will be again 1/2. Base is 10, height is 20. Once again we will solve it. 10 tens are 100 comes, so this is 100 square centimeter. Okay. Now last portion. Area of third triangle. Again the formula 1/2 base into height. So this time base is 10 and height is also 10. So this is 10 into 10, which will give you here 5 and this is 50 square centimeter. Question is not so tough beta. Only you have to find out one by one whatever you are taking out. Okay. Now the last step, area of shaded region. The same process which we did it in the previous concept. Total area is 400 minus the unshaded portion area. What was that? 100. Once again 100. And the third one was 50. So 100, 100 and 50 will be together as 250. And this is 400. So 400 minus 250 as 150 square centimeter. Finished. Yes, Aksham, you are right. Now, question number 11 is find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD, and diagram, if you will find, the diagram is looking like this. This is 22 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. And this side again, this is also 3 centimeter and this is already 22 centimeter. This time we have here A, we have C, we have B, we have D. So the figure name is ABCD. अब बेटा अगर इसको गौर से इस फिगर को आप देखो तो यू विल फाइंड दैट दिस फिगर इज लुकिंग लाइक रेक्टेंगल, और मे बी इसको आप प्रॉपरली नहीं बोल सकते हो कि विच फिगर इज दिस, बट वी कैन कॉल इट इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ठीक है, अगर हम इसको रोम्बस माने या हम इसको पैरेललोग्राम माने या हम इसको रेक्टेंगल माने, इन किसी भी केसेस में हमारे पास इसकी साइड नहीं दी हुई है. ठीक है, इन ऑल द केसेस वी डोंट हैव साइड. So we cannot apply directly formula of finding the area of that particular quadrilateral. Okay, so we can apply the alternative method of finding the area here. What is the alternative method? Please check this question properly. You will find that this quadrilateral is made up of two triangles. आपको याद होगा जब मैंने आपको parallelogram का area निकालना सिखाया था, I told you that time only कि every quadrilateral can be made up of by diagonal. अगर हम उसको divide करें तो you can get simply two triangles. ठीक है, तो अगर आप इसको गौर से देखो तो you will find this AC as a diagonal, और ये वाली जो लाइन AC है वो इस quadrilateral को दो triangles में divide कर रही है. ठीक है, divide कर रही है. Yes or no, please reply. Can you see this line AC which is dividing this figure in two triangles? Yes or no, please reply faster. Yes, correct. Okay, so we will be taking out the same portion also. हम लोग दोनों का एरिया निकाल लेते हैं and at the last we will add it, which will give you the right answer of it. ठीक है, so सबसे पहले we are taking out area of triangle ABC, and then we will take out area of ACD. You are knowing for triangle the formula is same, 1/2 base into height, 1/2 base into height. Okay, now look at here properly. The base is this. For the triangle upper one which I am talking about, the base is this line. Can you tell me what is the measurement of this line? जल्दी से बताइए, what is the measurement of this line? What is the base here in triangle? Just see the figure from your book and tell me what is the base in this figure. 22. Very correct. What is the height? What is the height? Yes. What is the height? The height is 3. Correct. This is the height, beta. ठीक है. The perpendicular which is drawn is known as height here, है ना? So this is 3. So we can solve it simply. It will give you 11. 11 3s are 33 comes. So 33 square centimeter will be the area of first triangle. एंड अगर आप गौर से देखो तो जो बिलो वाला ट्राइंगल है बेटा वो भी बिल्कुल सेम है, सेम मेजरमेंट दिए हुए हैं. तो आप चाहो तो डायरेक्ट आंसर भी लिख सकते हो. यू कैन हैव 1/2 22 into 3 which will give you here 33 again. Now what will be the total area of this figure? Tell me. Total area of quadrilateral, may I know what will be the answer this time? Yes. करेक्ट आंसर 33 अपसाइड 33 डाउन साइड, तो दोनों मिला करके 33 प्लस 33 66. So the answer is total 66 square centimeter. Now this question is also finished. Okay, 66 square centimeter beta. Do not write only centimeter. Write it down square centimeter. Done now. So this exercise is finished. Question number 8, Lavishka, you want to understand. So other students can leave after noting down this question. I can explain the question to Lavishka. Question number 8. Okay. Lavishka, question number 8 is only telling here that Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius. Beta, ये वाला question ना, it is similar like question number questions of related to exercise 11.3. इसमें यहाँ पर आपको सर्कल का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया हुआ है बेटा. Sorry, square box is given. Sorry, square box is given. We will start tomorrow the COMET discussion, and I will be discussing first this question, and then we will begin our COMET work. ठीक है Ravishka? Okay, fine. Fine. Thank you very much, everyone. Jai Hind, all of you.